Hey LEGO and DC fans, we've got some thrilling news. The first LEGO DC set details for 2024 have surfaced, with a massive Gotham City inspired by Batman, the animated series. Let's dive into the details. Rumour has it that priced at $299.99, so about $300. This set is no joke, featuring a jaw-dropping 76cm wide skyline of Gotham City, complete with a brick-built backdrop. The skyline includes the iconic buildings from Batman the Animated Series like Wayne Manor, the Batcave, and Arkham Asylum. Buildings can be removed to unveil their interiors, showcasing various villain activities. With a whopping 4,208 pieces, this set is a beast. Included are fan-favourite vehicles like the Batmobile and Batwing, and there is more. The set comes with 4 incredible minifigures: Batman, Catwoman, the Joker, and Harley Quinn. It's like the ultimate Batman fan's dream come true, that you can even mount this epic set on the wall for an alternative display option. Now, it's your turn. What are your thoughts on this rumoured LEGO Gotham City set? Are you excited as it as I am? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. And that wraps up DC news. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more LEGO content, and stay tuned for all the bricktastic news to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!